Ugh, what the hell? It's the middle of the night. Who the fuck is that? I swear to God, if it's those Jehovah's again. Didn't even ring the bell. Just drop this shit? VHS? You serious? Who even... Testimonium? What the fuck is this? Fine. Guess we're watching this tonight.
What you've been told about hell, the fire, the pitchforks, the red demons, is just metaphor. Poets and painters tried their best, but they never saw it. No one did. Not truly. Hell is not flame. Hell is not pain. Hell is absence. Absence of light. Absence of him. You assume there's a heaven, a symmetry, but what if there isn't? What if he left, and all that remains is this? For 1,000 years we believed nothing returns from hell. That was our comfort, that the veil was one way, until now. The footage you're about to see should not exist, and yet here it is, transferred, preserved, delivered by something that was never meant to return.
Why did you come back? Listen, it breathes with you. You still think you can leave? on their knees like cattle. Do you want them dead?
We're made from ribs, but we rot like meat. I remember the womb. It was warmer than this. The light is behind my eyes now. We were made from ribs, but we rot like meat. I remember the womb.
Too eager. The smoke is not yet risen. The smoke is not yet risen.
My eyes now. We were made from ribs, but we rot like meat. I remember the womb. It was
too eager. The smoke is not yet risen. Too eager. The smoke is not yet risen. Too eager. The smoke is not yet risen.
I remember the womb.
Too eager. The smoke is not yet risen.
The light is behind my eyes now. We were made from ribs.
Too eager. The smoke is not yet risen.
I remember the womb. Behind my eyes now. We were
too eager. The smoke is not yet risen.
I remember the womb. It was warmer than this. The light is behind my eyes now. We were made from ribs, but we rot like meat. I remember the womb. It was warmer than this. The light is behind my eyes now. We rot like meat. It was warmer than this. The light is behind my eyes now.
He denies the fire. You should have listened.
But we rot like meat. I remember.
He denies the fire. You should have listened.
But we rot like meat.
He denies the fire. You should have listened.
Made from ribs, but we rot like meat.
Filth burns before truth. This is not the way.
The light is behind my eyes now. Like meat. I remember the womb. It was warm.
Filth burns before truth. This is not the way.
The light is behind my eyes now. We were made from ribs, but we rot like meat. I remember the womb. It was warmer than this. The light is behind my eyes now.
That voice is not enough. Too eager. You must. The smoke is not yet risen. Here.
The light is behind my eyes now. We were made from ribs, but we rot like meat. I remember the womb. It was warmer than this. The light is behind my eyes.
It fits your hand so well. Mealers beware.
It was warmer than
The sinner walks.
the light is behind my eyes now.
This isn't salvation!
Make it stop. Make it stop. Make it stop.
This isn't salvation!
Preacher of blood.
This isn't salvation!
You brought no justice.
Properly this time.
Only noise and blood. Did it. All of them. Are you proud? Escapes with now. You've seen too much. Why did you open it?
No one escapes hell. Not truly. But sometimes something slips through. Not a soul, not a body, just a shadow. A gust of wind where there should be none. A flicker in the static, a knock at the door. And like so, it